Hey guys, starting a new project today. Paint stripping. I'm paint stripping the balcony on the level 2. It's a new job. I'm gonna apply all the paint stripper today. And come back tomorrow and remove everything, and I'm gonna record all the process so you can see, guys, how easy it is to do this part of the job. Cheers, stay tuned. So this is the product I'm using, Smart Strip Advanced Paint Removal. It can remove up to 15 coats of paint. Earth friendly, safe and effective, so this is the product to go with. I'm gonna use the plastic trowel to apply paint stripper. Plastic striper, gloves, mask. So stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, everything's coming off, which is a good sign. Probably want to have to reapply the paint strip again. Whoever done the painting before haven't done the right job, so it made it easier for me. So what I do, I pull off the paper like that. Whatever it's there, just scrape it off like this with a scraper.